Wiiboox Sweeten UV Photo Curing Resin 3D LCD Printer with 3.5-inch touchscreen. Build volume 130 liters 70 watts 180 h millimeters. Parallel LED lighting, 405 nm more even lighting makes a more precise printing and can effectively prolong the life of LCD printing module. High printing precision, 2560 x 1442 kHD masking LCD to produce more accurate printing with exquisite details, perfect to be used in those fields such as jewelry and dental prototyping which requires a high degree of precision. Independent LCD screen module, more convenient and fast replacement of LCD printing panel, very easy to operate. Automatic leveling and fast slicing software, upgraded auto leveling system and Wiiboox specialized slicer will efficiently improve operation experience. Also, the backflow preventer at the platform makes it easier for platform cleaning. Wi-Fi remote control and bigger printing size, users can get the real-time display of the whole printing progress and remotely control it under Wi-Fi. Bigger printing size of 130 mm, L, 70 mm, W, 180 mm, H to satisfy bigger printing requirements. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.